Hi guys, I'm still messing with this temperature sensor thing with the Arduino, and I've got an update for you. I wanted to make it do something more practical than just show a difference in temperature when it rises and falls. So I did the work in my code and worked over my amplifier here to get it to output real temperature data. Here's what it's doing now. 64.9 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, and I've calibrated it against this other device. It's a meat thermometer, 65 degrees Fahrenheit. So I've got it tuned pretty closely, and it seems to be pretty accurate. One of the mistakes I made before was my amplifier stage here. The op amp was I had it configured for 100 to 1 gain because I just inexperience told me I would need that much to show a real change. But as I started learning more about how the Arduino works, it's capable of better resolution than that. So I reduced it to 10 to 1, which gave me more temperature range that I could measure, and then I figured out the math to get it to convert this incoming voltage. Now I've got 20 millivolts of change per degrees Celsius, and it was easy from that point to figure out how to convert that to the temperature you see displayed here, real meaningful numbers. So that means in my code here, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. That upper limit variable right there, 40. I can do things like that and tell it turn this LED on when I hit 40 degrees Celsius instead of just some arbitrary voltage. Another thing I was playing with was this red LED here on one of the pulse width modulated. It's this yellow signal wire. Woo, this yellow signal wire here to pin 11. It's one of the pulse width modulation outputs, and right now it's lighting that LED up with respect to the temperature that it reads. So right now at ambient room temperature of somewhere around 65 degrees, it's fairly dim. Now let me put some heat on this diode, warm it up. You'll see my LED on the left come on, and you'll see this one start to get brighter and brighter. And you can see my temperature. I'm going to get off of that thing before I overheat it. When it comes up to 141, 156, 158 degrees, now it's starting to come back down. My LED will go off. There we go. So that the yellow LED that just comes on at 40 degrees Celsius illustrates how you could click a relay on, or a gas valve, or any other thing that you wanted to switch on and off. And the LED going brighter and dimmer could be just a fan motor. If you wanted to switch on a fan and vary its speed to move more air or less air and save energy. So this thing is turning out to be pretty fun. I think next I want to take that diode right there, which I can't focus on, sorry about that. Take that diode and make it into a remote sensor, move it into something, a probe that I can carry around and immerse in water and into a hot cup of coffee, and let's see what it does. So thanks for watching. Back with more later. Bye.